Hey, my name is Chua, majoring in strategy and organizational management. Throughout this internship period, I have contributed and served myself as a human resource intern in UWC Industrial Sdn Berhad. Now I would like to begin my industrial training presentation. First and foremost, I would like to present about the company profile. UWC Berhad is a Malaysian public listed company since 2019. The company is a manufacturer and one-stop solution provider which is located in Bandar Kasia, Batu Kawan Industrial Area in Penang. Since 1990, UWC Berhad has been strategically delivering the one-stop solution for the high-demanding industry clients worldwide in the areas of CNC machining, certified welding, advanced assembly and finishing of parts, sheet metal fabrication, and automated weldments and assemblies. Recently, UWC Berhad has also been established the subsidiaries of the companies which are UWC Holdings, Sdn Berhad, UWC Industrial Sdn Berhad, as well as UWC Automation Sdn Berhad. They are the provision of value-added assembly services, precision sheet metal fabrication, as well as precision machine components. UWC Berhad was founded by Dato Ng Chai Eng, the CEO of UWC Berhad, and Dato Lau Chi Kiong, the COO of UWC Berhad. It was initially started as a trading business supplying wire cut machines. Today, it was known as UWC Berhad after almost 3 decades. Starting from 1992 until 1997, it ventured into the mold making business, metal stamping and cutting, as well as the sub-assembly services. In 2000 years, it incorporated UWC Automation and UWC Industrials in providing and manufacturing the precision machine components, value-added assembly services, and sheet metal fabrication. Moving forward, it has set up the new manufacturing plant and relocated all the operations in Batu Kawan, Penang. In 2019, UWC Berhad was listed on the main market of Bursa, Malaysia. Next, I would like to present about the vision, mission, and the core values of UWC Berhad. The vision is to become the preferred integrated OEM partner, providing the complete solutions with the leading-edge solutions. Besides, the mission of the UWC Berhad is first to provide comprehensive solutions for high-technology strategic partners, second, to delight the customers, and third, to develop supplier partnerships as well as the workplace choices. Meanwhile, the core values of UWC Berhad are the unity between the partners, vendors, customers, and company, possessing the positive mindset and great willpower to overcome all the obstacles, and fulfilling the commitment to innovative and innovation, as well as providing the high quality of the delivery for the customers. There are various facilities in UWC Berhad such as the meeting and training room, the canteen, the pantry, the gym room, and the prayer room. Has been built to create a cozy and conducive working environment for all the employees. The offices are well ventilated and well air conditioned for a positive working atmosphere and increased productivity. The organizational structure of UWC Berhad has been organized into top management level and the management level. The managing directors are in charge of leading the management team of UWC Berhad. Besides, departments such as finance, HR, business development, supply chain, IT, product development, production, assembly, and quality assurance have been formed at the management level to operate and manage the business operations of the company. For the organization management level, UWC Berhad has segregated into the top management level, executive level, and non-executive level. Each management level consists of different job positions and job responsibilities to contribute to the business operations of the company. Moving on, UWC Berhad produces automated test equipment for various industries from semiconductor to life science as an automated engineering service support provider. With a workforce of more than 1,000 employees, an industrial facility of 12 acres in Batu Kawan, Penang, and a market value of 2 billion ringgit Malaysia has been established. Two UWC facilities will move from Bukit Minyak, Penang to a new manufacturing facility in Batu Kawan, Penang, which is currently the headquarters of the company. The new facility has a total built-up area about 255,364 square feet, consisting of an independent factory and a two-story office building. It has also increased the floor space so that more machinery, equipment, and the assembly lines can be accommodated. This new plant is perfectly adapted to satisfy the client's increased demand. During my industrial training period at UWC Berhad, I was offered as a human resource intern in the human resource department, which is solely dedicated to the talent acquisition function, which I'm in charge of identifying, sourcing, attracting, and hiring the qualified talent. Besides, I was also involved in ad hoc HR tasks such as batch card printing and assistant with door access systems for the employees in the company. In addition, I have supported HR administration and documentation, as well as being a team player in company culture initiative. Moving on, there are some functional skills such as problem-solving skills, computer skills, and decision-making skills that I have learned throughout the internship. For instance, I have fulfilled the recruitment and selection tasks that are closely related to problem-solving skills during my internship. First, I have learned how to define a problem. I have identified and evaluated the skills, competencies, qualifications, and experiences while screening the resume to look for the ideal candidate. Second, I have been assigned the task of sending out the assessments to the potential candidate as it could provide quantitative and unbiased details about the personality, skills, and fit of the candidate. Third, I also take the initiative to seek feedback from the supervisor or colleagues to help me improve the working processes, avoid errors, and identify gaps. Besides, along with the internship as a human resource intern, I mainly apply some basic computer skills in my job duties and responsibilities. I have learned how to navigate the Windows system, also in advance using the Microsoft Office platforms such as Microsoft Word, Excel, and Outlook to perform my daily tasks. Furthermore, I also applied Zoom online platform to conduct the online interview if necessary or requested by the hiring managers. Meanwhile, I have learned how to access the company application systems such as the entry pass system and exporter system to track the employees' attendance and provide door entry access. In this scenario, I have learned how to make wise decisions in selecting the shortlisted candidate to conduct the interview session. First, I have defined the job requirements by determining the qualifications, skills, and experience required for the specific job position through resume screening. Besides, I managed to conduct a pre-test interview together with the hiring manager to evaluate specific abilities if relevant to the job roles. After getting approval on hiring decisions from the hiring managers, I have also learned how to extend a job offer letter and make a formal job offer including the salary, benefits, and commencement date. On the other hand, I have applied the interpersonal skills, ethics, and communication skills in my soft skills. During the internship period, I have applied interpersonal skills by approaching and dealing with different kinds of people, no matter whether they are managers, colleagues, employees in different departments, candidates, and others. This has helped me create positive interactions and relationships with each other in verbal or non-verbal communication. Besides, I am dependable on doing my tasks and responsibilities, such as dealing with the candidates to schedule interview arrangements, following up the updates with the employer and employee, and providing guidance to the new hire colleague to give the understanding about the job scope. Besides, in terms of ethics, in UWC Berhad, the HR management complies with the employment law to conduct the business. For instance, minimum wages and overtime pay policies indicate that the employees are entitled to be paid under the law. Besides, the HR ethics also complies with the diversity, inclusion, and equity policy, which avoids any discrimination from a diverse group. Besides, the HR ethics activities will promote the company's reputation, employee, and retention by creating a bond contract between the employer and employee. For communication skills in terms of internal communication between the HR leaders and the employees, we embrace two-way communication by conducting internal group meetings to listen to employees' concerns or feedback and discuss the HR initiative to engage the employees and build a positive workplace culture. Besides, the HR management also will implement standardized methods to communicate important information or overall performance feedback online or in person. The system that we use is free of bias. For instance, the HR team is also respectful of each other and stimulates open and transparent communication to gain trust as well as encourage social responsibility. Next, I would like to present the evaluation outcome from the overall internship experience. Consequently, the actual performances met the expectations through the interaction between the colleagues, superiors, and the candidates. First, in terms of effective communication, I have expected to develop my in communication skills in a professional human resource context. Therefore, I effectively use communication platforms to produce clear and concise communication materials. We also had a face-to-face interaction to discuss with the team members about the job responsibilities as well as maintain transparent communication with each other. Second, it is expected to actively engage in a teamwork and collaborative effort and contribute to a positive team environment as a team player. Therefore, I have actively participated in team discussions with colleagues and superiors, contributed ideas and insights on hiring issues and recruitment strategies, and also received positive feedback from my superior on teamwork. Third, for timely task execution, it is expected to execute the task within the deadlines given by the superior, manage the working time efficiently on the jobs and responsibilities. As a result, I have demonstrated my ability to manage my time efficiently by completing all the tasks given, regularly completing or exceeding deadlines for a range of recruitment tasks. As a result, I have received positive feedback from the superior. Besides, throughout the interaction with the superiors, it is expected to seek guidance and mentorship from the superior to enhance my knowledge of HR. As a result, I have sought mentorship from my superior, engaged in team discussion to gain a deeper understanding. For task management, it is expected to manage the assigned recruitment tasks efficiently, provide regular updates to the superior on the working progress, and seek feedback for continuous improvement. Therefore, I have fulfilled my responsibility for the assigned recruitment task efficiently, implemented the feedback from the superiors. Third, it is expected to take on additional responsibilities in other sections of HR when appropriate. Hence, I have taken on additional tasks with success during peak recruitment season, helped the other sections of HR such as employee relations by assisting with events, proposed effective solutions and identified areas for improvement. Moving on, throughout the interaction with the candidates and hiring managers, it is expected to provide timely updates about the interview schedule or hiring decision, address the inquiries from the candidates professionally, and ensure clear communication with the candidates and the hiring managers. As a result, I have maintained open and transparent communication, addressed the candidates' concerns promptly, and provided additional information. As a result, I have gained positive feedback from the candidates and hiring managers. For effective interview coordination, it is expected to facilitate smooth and efficient interview processes for candidates and hiring managers. I have successfully coordinated the interview session between the candidates and the hiring managers, implemented feedback from candidates and hiring managers to streamline interview arrangements, resulting in a more efficient process. Besides, it is expected to interact with candidates and hiring managers courteously and professionally, reflecting positively on the company's image and values. Consequently, I have maintained a high standard of professionalism. I have also adhered to the standards and values of the company and received positive feedback from the candidates and hiring managers on my professionalism. Next, I would like to describe the overall internship experience based on the SWOT analysis. For the strengths, throughout the industrial training in UWC Berhad, I was able to gain learning opportunities and hands-on experience in HR management. This hands-on experience was able to enhance my understanding of HR practices and principles. For instance, I was in charge of talent acquisition job responsibilities, and this enabled me to gain insights into recruitment procedures and the hiring process to select the qualified talent in the company. The industrial training in UWC Berhad also served as a platform for honing and developing a variety of functional skills and soft skills in HR, such as recruitment and selection, as well as administration. For instance, I was able to improve my communication skills and interpersonal skills through interaction with colleagues, superiors, hiring managers, and candidates regarding the hiring process and hiring decisions. Besides, I was able to hone my computer skills to apply to the jobs and responsibilities. I learned how to advance the use of Microsoft Office applications. Besides, I have learned how to access the door access system and the time clock attendance system for the employees using their badge card. The hands-on nature of the work allows me to develop practical skills that are often challenging to acquire slowly through academic study. Furthermore, observation learning enabled me to learn and observe the HR professionals in the department handle different situations in the company. Understanding the dynamic of the office, observing the open and transparent communication, and learning from the experiences of colleagues and superiors enable me to contribute significantly to my professional development in my future career. On the other hand, in terms of weaknesses, I was mainly assigned to the talent acquisition section and narrowly focused on specific talent acquisition functions, potentially limiting the exposure to the wider scope of job duties in other sections of HR. Eventually, this limitation could leave gaps in my understanding of other fields in HR, such as training and development, employee relations, industrial relations, foreign workers management, and etc. Besides being an intern in HR department, sometimes I have limited authority to decide on my tasks and responsibilities in talent acquisition, as I need to obey the decision-making of my superior. Even though the superior is willing to provide me the guidance on the tasks and responsibilities, and straight decide how should I perform better on my tasks and responsibilities, it may hinder my ability to showcase the initiative and perform my tasks on my own. The opportunities that I had gained throughout my internship, I was able to build connections with HR professionals to create a supportive professional network. I was also able to gain the opportunities to expand my networking, which could lead to career advice and potential job referrals. Besides, when I managed the tasks and responsibilities in talent acquisition, I actively sought feedback from the supervisor and colleagues to help me identify the improvement areas. By using constructive feedback from the superior, I was able to enhance my functional skills and soft skills to overcome my weaknesses, which will lead to my overall professional development. Last but not least, as Malaysia is expected to have an economic slowdown in job demand, many companies are facing the challenges of hiring freeze to specific positions, limiting job opportunities. This may affect the availability of full-time positions in fresh graduate jobs after the internship. Furthermore, the development of artificial intelligence (AI) has evolved technology-wise to boost business productivity, causing it will eventually replace humans in some job functions. In the long term, it may cause the employees to be laid off in the company. Therefore, there will be an existence of job losses in the job market. For the recommendation, the company should understand the importance of industrial training programs such as the expectation of the schools and the industrial training purpose. It is also essential to provide more guidance and supervision over the interns to gain deeper insights into the roles and responsibilities. Besides, the company should provide learning and development opportunities for the interns to participate in training sessions or workshops related to their field of study so that they can gain their skills and knowledge. Furthermore, the company should assign the interns to be involved in field projects that align with their career interests or academic background so that they can gain the real exposure to the project accomplishment and contribution. Moreover, the company should slightly increase the internship allowance to cover the cost of living expenses. In my opinion, in terms of future industrial training programs, it is recommended that the School of Management should provide constant monitoring and supervision of the interns during the internship so that it can encourage the interns to perform well their duties and responsibilities. This will also foster the appropriate assessment of the students based on their jobs and duties in relevant fields. Besides, the School of Management should assist the students in securing the internship placement related to their respective courses undertaken during their studies. Giving the recommendation of the students to the industry will help to foster the collaboration and partnership between the school and the industry professionals. In addition, the School of Management should ensure the effective implementation and planning to ensure the interns gain the relevant practical experience and knowledge, as well as develop their interests. On the other hand, the company should embrace the technology for training delivery, incorporating e-learning platforms, exploring the use of simulation and real-life scenarios to enhance the practical skills. Over the past 6 months, I had the privilege of contributing to engaging and involving in human resource, and I am living with a newfound appreciation for talent acquisition. Overall, I have gained the opportunities to further enhance my communication skills and problem-solving skills when dealing with colleagues, hiring managers, and candidates in the hiring process, and also other issues such as batch cut issues and low access issues. Hereby, I would like to express my sincere gratitude for the internship opportunities provided by UWC Berhad, my industry supervisor, and the entire HR team for their guidance and support throughout this internship journey. I look forward to continuing and developing my professional journey as well as exploring diversity in human resources. This is the end of my industrial training presentation. Thank you for listening.